Hello, welcome to Hitchman Homestead. Right now we're going to show you how to roll up your fly bonnet. We don't ever want to leave this up in rain or in winds over 9 miles an hour. So we're going to go ahead and just unhook that pole, set it to the side. Unhook this pole. Set it to the side. If we were done for the day, we could just take this rope and tie it up and have it semi-secure out of view. The roll-up option, we want to roll up inside. If you're just doing it for decoration, you can roll it up like this, but water gets trapped in here and will create an ugly mess. So for storage, you want to go ahead and just roll it up to the inside. And then it's easy with 2 people. If you just have 1 person, the little squeeze clamps help hold it in place. There she is. And then we're just going to go ahead . Add a quick little tie off. Add a quick little tie off. We'll store our poles. Thanks for watching.